Okay, this is an installation video for the new StaYmo Omni. First thing you need to do is you need to locate where you'd like to have your trolling motor support. The Omni, you can adjust it up and down the shaft. You have a height here, height adjustment. Also, you can rotate the shaft this way, this direction, and you can mount the rail adapter in this position or this position. And I think for this particular exercise, we're going to mount the StaYmo in this location here. So I've got kind of raised it up there. I'm going to put the pin in the hole. Okay. That's where I'm going to want to place that. So the next step is to take some painter's tape. We like to use painter's tape. I'm just going to kind of mark this a little bit. We're going to mark in the location of where this adapter will be located. Okay. Now that we've done that, remove the StaYmo from its position. So if your boat has been like waxed several times, or this is extremely dirty area, we recommend that you first clean it thoroughly with some kind of a cleaner. Make sure you get all the wax and everything off. This is some simple green here, but any cleaner that you prefer would be fine. So next we're going to take an alcohol pad over that, finish up the cleaning job. Let that dry for just a little bit. Then next what we're going to do is we're going to take the protective covering off the adhesive on the feet. So I'm going to place this back in the location where we were interested in mounting this. So you're going to obviously put as much pressure as you can down on this rail adapter here. And you're going to want to let that sit for 24 hours. The acrylic adhesive and the VHB 3M adhesive has to sweep out onto the surface that you've attached it to, which this is a diamond non-skid surface, which is a very aggressive non-skid, and we have really good luck fastening down to this surface. Now if you have another option to add to the attachment, if you wish, and that is we send these screws, these little screws with this, and if you decide you want to screw it, put the screw there, drill a hole. Well, drill a hole first with 3/32 inch drill, very small hole. There's 4 screws, there's 4 holes. You can actually screw this thing down, and so it'll be taped and screwed. The VHB tape works extremely well. I don't think you'll have any issues with that. But if you have a surface that you think you need or an application where you need to actually fasten it with screws, we send 4 3/16 stainless steel head screws with it. Okay, we've let this thing set for about 24 hours, so the adhesive is nice and set up and everything. Now we're going to attach the Omni StaYmo simply like this, like that, and we're going to adjust the height of this thing so that it supports our trolling motor as desired. Make sure and tighten this acorn nut securely, and you actually should use you can use just your fingers, but sometimes it doesn't hurt to put a little bit with a screwdriver. Then we'll top cap, fasten it up. You're ready to go fishing.